I've heard so much about staking. What does it mean? Did you just say staking? So what does it mean? Well, it's a way you can earn passive income just by holding your cryptocurrency on certain exchanges. There's got to be more to it than that. You know what? Just stick around. I'll show you in this video. Hey, it's Similolu here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn passive income by staking your cryptocurrency coins on Binance. I'll show you how you can either buy a stakeable coin on Binance or deposit it from another exchange. So if you either have money lying around earning you zero interest, or you intentionally want to create passive income, you've come to the right channel. So here we are on my Binance screen, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Earn and Staking. And it's actually quite straightforward. Binance make a point of making it easy to stake coins. So now that we're here, let's scroll down. And we have 4 coins available for us to stake. It shows the various rewards that you get back for staking. And then it's up to you to decide to either deposit the coins if you have it already on another platform, or to buy the coin. If you do decide to buy the coin on Binance, then when you highlight the buy button, it tells you the various coins that you can use with which to purchase your staking coin. So for XTZ, I can use BTC, I can use BUSD, or I can use USD to purchase my XTZ. Now, I hold Bitcoin, so I'm going to use some of my Bitcoin to purchase some XTZ. And that brings me straight over to my trading page. Now, this is the advanced version that I use. The advanced version basically allows me to use my various indicators. I kind of like using the advanced version. And now I'm here and I just make sure I'm in the right pair. Yes, XTZ/BTC. Now I'm going to make a purchase of XTZ. Okay, if we come down the screen. Yes, I do have some Bitcoin I can use for my purchase. I'm not going to mess around with limit. We'll do market. And I'll use 25% of my Bitcoin to purchase XTZ. Click on the buy button. And there's my market order has been created. And now I own 11.10888 XTZ. Okay. Under trade history, the XTZ that I have just purchased. Now let's go back to our staking page and see where it records the XTZ that I have just purchased. So let's just click on deposit. And there it shows under deposits that I have actually just deposited 11 XTZ into my Binance exchange account. Nothing else has to be done to ensure that I get my staking rewards. Binance does it all for you. Now, if you do want to deposit XTZ because you hold it on another exchange, then you click on deposit. And all you have to do is just click on copy address. This is the Binance address for XTZ into which you want to transfer any other XTZ coins that you might own. So you'd copy the address and head on over to your other exchange where you're holding XTZ. And this address that you've just copied from Binance would be what you would enter into the transfer box over on your other platform. And it's as simple as that. So from today on, my XTZ that I have just purchased on Binance is earning me rewards on Binance for staking it. Again, like I said, it's a win-win situation. Now, staking on other websites, and this one is ledger.com, will give you about the same 6%, but they will take out their fees. So this is the advantage of staking on Binance over staking on other platforms. Staking your coins on Binance means you're keeping your coins in the Binance wallet, same as if you were trading coins. You will not have access to your own private keys, so you've got to be comfortable with that fact. Staking coins in your own wallet, however, gives you access to your private keys, but you generally will earn less than you would on Binance because you will be charged fees. In a nutshell, do your own due diligence to know where and how you want to stake your coins. Heading over to CoinMarketCap, XTZ, let's see how much XTZ is going for. And right now, one XTZ is worth $2.09. It's up $5.44 today. So if we do the math, if I just bought 11, then I spent about maybe $22, $23 picking up some Tezos. Doing the math, I picked up about $23 worth of XTZ that is being staked. Now, in and of itself, my coin can appreciate in value as well as earn interest on Binance from staking it. So it's a win-win situation. Our rewards are accrued to us on a daily basis. So if we check and click on this box, this is 24 hours later, and my 11 XTZ has increased to 13.42323 XTZ. Now, to see how they calculate the rewards, you just read the blurb down below. It tells us distributions will be completed before the 20th day of each following month. Okay, that's on the one hand. Now, they give a calculation that they use for those of you who are interested in knowing how they come about the rewards that they distribute to you. So it says they take hourly snapshots of users' XTZ. So they basically register how many coins you have on an hourly basis. The XTZ generated for each user is equal to the total XTZ held by Binance multiplied by the ratio of your holdings. And that holding ratio is calculated by dividing the number of coins you have by the total number of coins that Binance has for each specific coin. For your eyes only, this is the leaderboards. And I've got my people. Nigeria, you're my #1 cheerleaders. United States, you're a very close second, followed by the United Kingdom. Hi, South Africa. United Arab Emirates, welcome on board. Uganda, Cameroon, you're my homies. The Philippines, I love you guys. Switzerland, you're my second home. Really, I used to work in Switzerland many moons ago. And India, the new kids on the block. And this is it. If you don't see your country on this leaderboard, that's because you gotta get sharing. Share my videos, drop a like below, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and remember to hit that bell. And let's see if we can change the outlook of my top viewing countries. Ciao, bye-bye. Well, I hope you found the video useful, and if you have, drop me a like in the description box below. Don't forget to comment. I always love to hear from you. If you have any questions, I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. And subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell, and I'll meet you on the next video.